Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Doge Day, because man, Dogecoin is pumping today. It has been leading up to this moment of doing something really fascinating. Now, there's something that happens on a chart that can happen on the 4-hour and on the daily. The way that you can see this thing is you see the previous support levels, and then you also see the previous resistance levels. And then what you can do is, if this resistance level is sustained by some continuation of a higher low, and then going up into the previous support level where we had resistance, we can do a support resistance flip. Now, this is what I think is happening right now with Dogecoin. If you look at this pattern, you can see that we got supported really nice off of the current price that we're sitting at right now. And you can see that that current price that we just traded back up into was a point of resistance. So this is great. So this gives the market an opportunity to decide, is this a price that we want to get supported at? Yes, it is. 2 different times we were actually supported at this price to go to the upside from here, 34 cents, up to 44 cents, and then from 34 cents up to this price point, which is our target of 40 cents to 42 cents. Now, we are in a Doge trade, guys. We've shown you this. We've shown you the trade. We're on the trade in COINFLARE. So if you guys want to trade with my affiliate link and put in a Doge trade, use the links down in the description. Super easy to sign up. Takes like 2 seconds, and you guys can start trading this momentum, because Dogecoin, even though we've pumped from this lower this lower low here, or this higher low from here, we had a low at 26, and then we bounced from that 26 cents level and hit that resistance. Now that we've solidified that we can flip that resistance that we just saw right here into support, this is why I have this price point as the target. So our target for Doge in the short term here, probably going into Monday and Tuesday, like we said, guys, on the live stream, we are going to be trading super bullish into the next week, because a lot of people were on holiday. They were still coming off Christmas, coming off New Year, going into the new year. This Monday is going to be the ultimate resurgence of capital into the market, because I think a lot of people are feeling sidelined right now. I think there's going to be so much cope and so much sidelined action and liquidity that they're just gonna not take it anymore. They're like, I've got to get into this market before it flies and I'm left behind. That is what is going to, I think, create a massive surgence back into some of these altcoins, back into the meme coins. We see the meme coins along with Doge carrying the flag, and also Pepe, carrying the flag of support for memes, that this is where we are headed in the short term, guys. So I hope you're ready, and I hope you're trading on this volatility, because this is the moment, guys. We have a Bitcoin trade open, a Pepe trade open, we got a Dogecoin trade open. Doge is trending in Google Trends again. When we start to see these spikes up again, this is when I start to get excited, because when we had spikes like this in the previous market, that was when altcoins were going absolutely parabolic. We had crypto gaming go to billions of dollars for things that weren't even offering products. We had meme coins. We had things like Doge pumping. We had things like Shiba Inu, just completely smashing the charts. It's going completely over people's expectations. And I think that's what we're going to see with a resurgence of crypto gaming and some of these AI coins, and also the memes. But I want you guys to pay attention to the narrative of Dogecoin, because there's a lot of things to pay attention when it comes to Dogecoin for the Elon factor. So obviously we know that Elon has been bull posting about Dogecoin for a long time. He's led us with these breadcrumbs into I think an era where we can actually say that Dogecoin could be part of the reserve currency, or used as a currency across the world with the modality of X payments. Now, X payments, this is a big factor that we have to keep in mind, because this has been Elon's master plan for the past 24 years. This man has had this plan with X.com. Before it was called, before it was PayPal, it was actually X.com, and then it eventually rebranded to PayPal. And then now I think that there is this massive master plan that Elon is putting into effect with having bought Twitter, naming it to X, having it be the everything app, have X payments, money transfer payment license in every single state in the United States. And then what do you think is going to happen when we have the launch of this? I think Dogecoin is going to be one of those cryptocurrencies that is offered as an option. And then we'll obviously have Bitcoin, Ethereum, we'll have some stable coins, maybe even the little Solana, but I think Dogecoin is going to be one of the top picks for the X payments section. And it's going to be so bullish. And I think $1 is bearish at this point for Doge. Everyone's, hope for Doge is one Doge, $1. But I think we're actually going to be going maybe even as high as $2.50 to maybe even $3 for this peak of this cycle. Because look, fully diluted valuation of market cap, 53 billion, which means it is actually full, market cap of 53 billion right now. The all-time high of the market cap whenever we were at its peak was actually at almost $80 billion. It was at like 75 billion, 80 billion, super close. So I think with all of these things that I just mentioned as the bullish sentiment for Dogecoin, that this coin could get valued at the value of BNB, Solana, maybe even past Tether or XRP. And I know it's kind of moon boy territory to go that direction, but the most ironic outcome could be the one that ends up being a thing. It's the universe and God definitely does have a sense of humor, and the ironic outcome could be the thing that happens, that we actually get Doge past $1 and becomes one of the strongest means of transfer of peer-to-peer payment system, just like Dogecoin, just like Bitcoin is, just like a lot of these other layer ones and layer twos. But really, I think Dogecoin is going to really continue to stand the test of time, and we're just really excited. As you can see, we're super bullish on Dogecoin. We actually ran into a guy last night that was full Doge, had a Doge sweater on, Doge hat, and we were like, it was like seeing a unicorn out in public, because it's very rare that you actually see people sporting crypto, merch or sporting, things like Dogecoin. So we were like this, we're waving at him. We were like, yo, yes. So we were talking to him, we're asking him what he holds. And what's fascinating is I think a lot of Dogecoin whales are really into Pepe too. So we're going to lead you down the rabbit hole of, a lot of these people that are Doge whales also are becoming Pepe whales. So it's like this trifecta that I'm trading right now is Doge, Pepe, and Bitcoin. It's like the strongest coins right now that I think, for me, at least for me, that I want to trade. And if you guys are wanting to trade, any of these coins right now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pepe, Dogecoin, make sure you're using the links down in the description. We got 3 amazing partners of the channel. We have, as you can see, we got PHEMEX, COINFLARE, and OURBIT. And so these are our 3 main favorite exchanges that we like to use. You can see you can trade ticker Bitcoin on OURBIT. You can trade inverse perpetuals like Solana, XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum on PHEMEX. And then you can trade up to 150 different assets on CoinFlare, and also have spot bags, and also build up your Flare points so then you can get real world items. So guys, thank you so much for coming into this video and checking out this update on Dogecoin and why you should have this on your radar and not get too distracted with these new coins coming out, because at a point where you're gambling on these new coins and all you have to do is just maybe buy a little bag of Doge and see what happens. That's kind of my mentality right now, is that it's almost more risk off to be buying solidified, solid, established memes that we know have stood the test of time. So that's just it. It could be that simple, guys. But thank you so much. I'll see you on the live stream later today. The link for that is going to be right here. We'll pop it up right here so you guys can quick link. And whenever you watch this video, come into the live stream, come into the conversation, join the Dojo crew, and we hope to see you on those live streams. Come in, chat, join the community, and we'll have some fun. And we will start this year off right, guys. Thanks for coming in, and I'll see you later. Happy Doge.